What's with the gunshots and whatnot?
Trying to save your ass! Unscrew that garden hose. I'm gonna show you a little thing I learned from the king of street smarts, Mr. MacGyver.
You only learned enough from MacGyver to know you didn't need bolts to open a locked cellar.
Doors locked! Because God wants me to!
Oh, so you know what God wants?
Yes! God wants me to stay on this ark! God wants me to go with you.
Dag, that plan you came up with was way beyond street smart. That was street genius. They were blanks. I wasn't invincible.
Probably not. But you did fly in a tornado. Nobody can take that away from you.
Yeah, that's true. You know, at some point we're gonna have to talk about the fact that you tried to shoot me twice, but not right now. I really appreciate you dropping everything and sticking with me.
It's only fair. You've always stuck with me. Next time you get a mission, it'll be one day your mission, one day my list.
Thanks, Earl. Oh my God, the list.
Where'd you get this?
I found it right away. It was on the boat. I was pretty pissed, so I didn't want to tell you. And then with the whole superhero thing, I guess I just forgot about it.
Wait, this doesn't make sense. I thought Karma took the list to teach me a lesson about finders keepers. Now I'm not sure what any of this meant.
Tell me about it. Why did God give me and Patty so many conflicting signs?
Yeah, the gun, the Bible, the boat, the Bible again.
Yeah. And why did it make me think I was invincible? You guys don't think God's losing his mind, do you? I don't know how old he is, but he's got to be getting up there.
Maybe all of it means nothing. Tornadoes tend to be stressful times in which people ascribe heightened meaning to random events of physics. I heard that from a very smart man.
It's tempting to look for messages when crazy stuff starts happening. But maybe that's wrong. Maybe some things are just random.
Hey, Dad! Dad! I found a Bible! I found your gun and the stake!
Hey, great! Alright. Fastest runner gets to eat it.
Or maybe nothing is random. Hard to say. Excuse me, sir. I think I owe you a blue door.